Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I am going to show you how to download and install MySQL 8.0.45. So let's get started. Go to any browser and type download MySQL. Click on MySQL downloads. Then just go down and click on MySQL Community Downloads. Once you are here, just click on MySQL Installer for Windows. Then click on Download. No thanks, just start my download. Now choosing a setup type, just select costume and then click on next. Now you can see available products and products to be installed. Just click on the plus sign for MySQL servers, then MySQL server, and look for MySQL server 8.0.45. Select and then click on the right arrow. Now expand applications, then click on plus sign for MySQL Workbench. If you cannot find MySQL Workbench 8.0.45, then you can install other version. So I am going to install 8.0.44. Now click on plus sign for MySQL shell. Look for 8.0.45. So now you can see products to be installed: MySQL Server 8.0.45, MySQL Workbench 8.0.44, MySQL 8.0.45, MySQL Shell 8.0.45. Now just click on next and then click on execute. Once you click on execute, all three is going to start downloading. So you have to wait until download has been finished. So I have already downloaded. So make sure to download all three. As you can see from here, downloaded, downloaded, downloaded. Once done, just click on next. Now you have to install all three. Make sure to install all three. Just click on execute. Okay, so I have already installed. So make sure to install everything. As you can see, complete. Once you install all three, just click on next. Now click on next. I'm going to use port 3307 because I already have a port running on 3306, so I am going to use 3307 port. Then click on next. Next, create a password. Now click on next. 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 Now click on execute. Now you can see the configuration for MySQL Server 8.0.45 was successful. Click Finish to continue. Now click on Finish. Now click on Next. Start MySQL Workbench and then start MySQL Shell. Just minimize the MySQL Workbench and just close this. Now if you open CMD command prompt and type MySQL space hyphen version, you can see MySQL is not recognized as an internal or external command. So how to fix this? Just go to your PC, then go to C drive, program files, then look for MySQL, then go to MySQL Server 8.0, then just go to bin, copy the address, then here type PC, right click on PC, go to properties. Now from here click on advanced system settings, then click on advanced, then click on environment variables. Under system variables, click on select path, edit, new, and then paste. Click on OK, OK, OK. Now close. Now open the command prompt, type MySQL space hyphen version, you are going to see your MySQL version. Okay, let's create new connection. So I'm going to delete this connection. Then you are going to click on the plus sign for MySQL connections. Give a connection name. I will give mycon. Connection method will be standard TCP IP. Host name will be, this one will be the host name. No need to change. Port, I am going to use 3307. Username will be root. So test connection. So once I click on test connection, I can see it is asking me for password. So I will give my password, which I have created in installation. Okay. Successfully made the MySQL connection. Okay. So now you can see the connection mycon. So I am going to create my sample database. Create database. I will name this my database. Just select and click on execute. You can see one row is affected. Okay. Now if you want to see the database, just type show databases and select and execute. You can see the my database 1 has been created. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.